fantastic opportunity in Petronet LNG. In front of you is a chart, weekly chart of Petronet LNG. As you can see, it is in consolidation for last almost 6 to 7 years. It's a very long consolidation, and finally it appears that it has broken out of consolidation recently, and that too when the overall market seems to be bearish. Petronet LNG is showing strength. So let's analyze in depth what is happening in Petronet LNG. Let's put the consolidation over the chart. As you can see, I have drawn a rectangle above this consolidation. So it's in the range bound for almost 6 to 7 years. Petronet LNG is in range bound for 6 to 7 years. Now, if we see towards the end, now it has gone up and it has broken the rectangle convincingly with high volumes. Also, the high volumes in the last leg of the breakout as compared to previous volumes. I'll just move myself up. Now, if you see the volumes which this towers below indicate, last leg of volumes are too high, like very ideal condition. A book, like what we say, the as mentioned in the book example sort of thing, where you have lot of volumes before the breakout. There is a lot of volume, breakout has happened. How far it will go? We have to measure the width of the triangle. So if you see a rectangle, so if you see the width of rectangle is around 87 points. I have taken it very conservatively. You can take 90 points also. If we keep this over the top where it has given a breakout, then we can estimate that it is likely to go till 376. When it will go, since it has consolidated for 6 to 7 years, I think the breakout and for it to go till target will pretty fast. We can keep an estimate of 6 to 8 months for it to reach to target of 30% in coming days. Let's see what Ichimoku is telling us on a weekly basis. Yes, on a weekly basis it is showing fantastic bullishness. Ichimoku signal is, all lines are telling a bullish story about this chart. With a breakout, with a good volume, it has high possibility of reaching till 30% target. This video is for educational purpose only, how to look at the consolidation and how to see the breakout, how to estimate the target. This is not a trading advice. Also, whenever we are trading technically, we should always have a stop loss. Those who don't follow Ichimoku, they can keep the 50%, like from here to here it's 87 points, so they can trail by roughly around 40 points. As it goes up, they can move their stop 40 points behind and exit when it comes to target for observation purpose. Those who are part of my masterclass, they know how to trail confidently using Ichimoku. So you can go ahead, learn how it goes and reaches target, how it moves going forward in the coming weeks. With that, we come to the end of today's session. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you.